I'm Rahi, and today I'm thrilled to unveil the inner workings of my 2023 productivity system. By strategically integrating Todoist, Evernote, and Notion, I have an approach that takes tasks, notes, and comprehensive project management. Stick around as I walk you through each element and showcase the magic of this productivity trifecta. To kick things off, imagine having Todoist as my task command center, Evernote as the digital archive for notes and references, and Notion acting as the master workspace tying it all together. It's a powerhouse combination that maximizes efficiency and organization. Let's start with Todoist. This isn't just a to-do list, it's a dynamic task management hub. I leverage Todoist to meticulously plan my day, set my priorities, and organize projects. With features like due dates, labels, and filters, I've turned Todoist into my personal productivity assistant. Next up is Evernote, my digital memory palace. Here I capture ideas, plan projects, and store reference materials. Notebooks and tags help me categorize and retrieve information swiftly. The powerful search functionality ensures that no valuable source is ever lost. Now let's delve into Notion, the heartbeat of my productivity system. Notion serves as the central workspace where I craft databases, manage complex projects, and collaborate seamlessly. Whether I'm planning a video script or outlining a project timeline, Notion adapts to my needs effortlessly. What makes this system truly powerful is the seamless integration. Todoist tasks effortlessly flow into Notion projects, and Evernote seamlessly syncs with both. It's like conducting a symphony where each tool plays its part in perfect harmony. Real time, plan a video script in Todoist, store research notes in Evernote, and organize the entire project in Notion. The synergy between these tools makes productivity feel like second nature. In essence, Todoist, Evernote, and Notion aren't just tools, they're integral part of a customized system designed to enhance every aspect of my work. The flexibility and adaptability of this combination makes it a game changer for anyone looking to supercharge their productivity. If you're ready to level up your productivity, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more insights. Share your thoughts, questions, or your favorite productivity tips in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay productive.